Hello and welcome. I'm Yunshi Wilson, guest correspondent here with MedEdge MEA at the PureLab Health event in Dubai. And I have with us the PureLab CEO, Arindam Haldar. Hello, and how are you?
Hello, I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good, good. So what did you think about the event overall?
Well, first of all, thank you for having me here. This is our flagship event called LIFE. LIFE stands for Laboratory Insights for Excellence. This is the flagship CME event of PureLab. And in its second year, I think we have come a long way. The medical sessions are far more interactive. It's far more value-adding. A lot of international speakers and speakers from UAE interacting with each other. So personally, I'm absolutely thrilled with this event.
That's wonderful. So what are some plans that you have for the future for the next one?
Well, journey is only one direction. That's upwards. That's what Pure Health and PureLab believes in. So whatever we are going to do in the next session is only going to be even more engaging, hopefully even more exciting for all our participants.
Bigger and better. I love it.
Absolutely.
I love it. So we have just a few questions for you. First one being, how does PureLab ensure the highest standards of patient care in its services?
Sure. I think that is a significant question, maybe simple in its construct. First of all, we are in healthcare, which means we are in patient care. So whatever we do at PureLab, all strategies start with patient at the center. So at the end of the day, as a lab player, we have our role in the early part of healthcare continuum. If you talk about healthcare, starting with staying healthy, to right at the end, which is about tertiary and quaternary care, where you are being treated in operation theatre. Lab obviously is in the early part. So we first keep the patient at the center. Because when a patient comes into our lab, obviously he or she is coming because there is some kind of ailment. He or she is stressed. So understanding how our phlebotomist come across and meet our patients and how he or she draws the blood, to ensuring that the best of technology is used, best of automation and digitization is used, and how do we have our internal quality control, external quality control, proficiency testing, calibrations, making sure at all points in time our machines, our people are up to date. Even having continuing medical education like LIFE. This is an accredited event.
Yeah.
What these events do is the sessions teach our technologists, our doctors new things. So they are always kept abreast. A mix of everything.
Yeah.
How we train people from patient care, how we sort of calibrate our machines, how we upgrade the competencies of our doctors and technologists. All of this put together keeps us ahead in our journey of patient care.
That is absolutely fascinating. I love that the fact that you guys bring together and centralize on patient care.
Absolutely.
Not just the technology. That's absolutely phenomenal. So leads me to my next question, which is, what strategies keep PureLab competitive and how will it evolve in the UAE over the next 5 years?
Sure. So at PureLab, we are the largest lab provider and we are very proud of the customers we keep. So we serve some of the best known healthcare institutes in the country. We serve a large part of the government network. So in a way, we understand, we shoulder the burden of a large part of the healthcare of the overall UAE. And how do we keep ourselves competitive is, having those simple philosophy that what can we do to improve our role as a dependable partner. We say PureLab is always dependable.
Right.
That's what our motto is. The healthcare partners depend on us. So what do? We make sure that we deliver our results faster.
Yep.
And we make sure that our results are the best in terms of clinical standard. We make sure that the latest technology comes in. And at all points in time, we are thinking about how to enable tomorrow's healthcare today. That's our vision. So what we are at all points in time are talking to industry experts that what are the latest development that's happening across the world.
Right.
How do we get those in the country?
Yeah.
A lot of development is happening in the genetic area. So how do we do that?